Okay, guys, if you don't want to look like this, magmukhang tosino, alam ko sawang-sawa na kayo. And this might be my final video about this. Kaya guys, all my new followers, this is how you exfoliate your skin. Or should I say, this is how you safely exfoliate your skin. Para maiwasan magmukhang ganito and ganito. Alam nyo ba guys, maraming benefit ng pag-exfoliate ng skin. Exfoliation can remove dry and dead skin cells. Pag nakuha mo rin ng tama ang pag-exfoliate, mas mapapadali ang pag-penetrate ng mga skincare products na ginagamit mo sa skin mo. Mas brighter, mas younger yung complexion mo. You look fresh. It prevents you from getting acne. At marami pang iba. Okay, yung first step natin. By the way guys, I will be featuring Fairy Skin products kasi Fairy Skin talagang ginagamit ko whenever I want to exfoliate my skin. So the first one is the Fairy Skin Premium Brightening Facial Foam. This is very gentle. This is a pH balanced cleanser. Gagamitin mo to prep your skin for exfoliation. Actually guys, dito pa lang, facial wash, na-exfoliate na yung skin mo without damaging your skin barrier. All you need is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pumps. Yes, super magastos talaga ako. Dahil guys, ang sarap-sarap talaga dito sa skin. Guys ha, gently massage the facial foam for like 10 to 20 seconds lang. And then, i-rinse off mo na with water. And ipat dry mo lang siya gently with a tissue paper or your towel. Never rub your face dahil may irritate yan. Second step is we're gonna use the Premium Brightening Toner. Kasama tong toner when you buy the Premium Brightening Kit. Lagay mo na yung toner sa cotton pod. Huwag masyadong basa, guys. And then, gently mo lang, guys, ipapat mo lang siya. Tap, 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 tap. Kaya yung skin ko, guys, talagang prone ako sa redness, kaya mabilis siya mag-red or mag-pink. And dito, 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 dito. Kulang pa, guys, mag-add pa kayo ng toner. Dahil sobrang konti ko lang din talaga maglagay ng toner. And then, dito, dito, dito. Hanggang maikot mo yung buong face mo. Huwag mo nang daanan tong mouth area, itong eye area, itong gilid ng nose. Dito guys, pwede. Yan, dito. Ditong part para mawala yung mga blackheads ninyo. Dahil meron tong AHA and BHA. And then, pwede na kayong mag-end dito. Pero ako guys, I would highly suggest na mag-moisturizer kayo after. Para mas maganda, para mas glowing, para hindi rin ma-irritate yung face mo. Or you can add the Glow Booster Serum sa huli ng routine mo. This is from the Mild Facial Kit. At mag-exfoliate ka lang ng skin mo 2 to 3 times a week. Ayun lang. Love.